Today we got a 2005, actually 03 to 08 would be the same. It's the E350 or the W211.
I didn't pull it all the way, so pull it to the ignition. Right before you crank its ignition, I'm going to put it back, turn the key out, take the key out, it's moving, you see it's moving. So I'm going to take one of the two right there that I was talking about, just go from here, keep prying until it come out, but I'm using my own tool. See what I have to take out, if I have to take the whole thing out, or, yeah, just try it out like so. See how I like this tool because it's metal and it's not thick as this. If you're looking at it, this is so thick, it's kind of harder to do, so as professional, we got to have our own right tool to use it. So in here, at the end right there, you don't want to pry it out, you're going to break this piece, you want to push it forward a little bit. And now, I'm going to turn the key on again. Almost forgot again. Gotta get the music down now. So here, let's see what's holding it. Nope, nothing holding it, so I'm just prying it and pull it out and unplug this right here. You don't have to, but yeah, I'm going to leave it like that. So, there's a screw right here. There should be two 20mm right inside here. Just take that out, you know, take the drill, or use whatever you use. Take it out, and pull it out right here. It's going to come up like this, right there. Now, when it is out, there's two screws down here, like one right here, and one right there. This is when you really need to use this tool right here. I'm going to try to pull this out some more, and unplug a bunch of different things, a couple of things right here. See if I can unplug this wire in here, down on the bottom. There's a wire, I can't tell. I'm going to show you how to remove that clip later. I'm going to remove this out first to make it a lot easier. If I can do that, we'll see where the clip is at. I can't find a clip. No. I must get that. My main thing is this piece.
See, there's a right here. It doesn't really have any clip, but what you do, you just pull it straight out. Just grab right here. Don't pull the wire like this. Just grab it like this and pull it out. The same as this. I don't see any clip. So just grab it and pull it out. And then also, if you're looking at it right there, you see a T20 right here. Right there. Get you the light. Right here, one right here, and another one right there. That's a T20. So you want to remove that a little bit, loosen that a little bit so it's not tight, see? So you can pull straight out right here. You don't have to take it all the way out, just pull it out. Let's see if there's a CD in here or not. Yep, there's no CD, so I'm going to pull it out, straight out like that. And right here, you have the fiber optic right there. What you do, you press this clip right there, press it down and pull it out. Press it down.